Well, it is raining. So, when is this gonna be? So we're on a rainy day. Luckily, the race hasn't started. Starting at 7:30 on my sign-up series. Go watch that if you haven't already, and go sign up. So yeah, this is just a little vlog. Haven't done a vlog in a while, so I'm trying to catch up on it. Oh, it's cold. Ooh. There's a crow flying by. You can't really see it. It's way out there. So yeah, I'm gonna do this if you're asking. We stalk people. Oh, hey, no, no. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Well, yeah, the race is delayed to the race is at 7:30, so it's raining. Hopefully this dries up soon. She's breaking a little. Maybe if we go get cleaned up, we can go race some. Don't know, but maybe pretty cold. So please go check it out if you haven't already. So yeah. Oh, Santa! We still got Santa, and it's Easter. Well, happy Easter! I've done like 3 videos. This will be my 4th on Easter. Well, Christmas I did a lot. I first got my YouTube channel. I did 3, so this could be 4. New record. Isn't that Mr. Mine? Isn't it? Yep. I'll be doing a new series. Okay. Also, all my friends on Xbox, I should be getting out next week. I have some stuff to deal with. I'm taking a break off it too. I was gonna plan taking that break off it, but because I had to go do something today, I suggest, I'll just hit my break now. And I am going on vacation this week, so I will do a vlog. We are actually going to the beach, Myrtle Beach for me. That's where that's the beach for us. There's Myrtle Beach. So yeah, and there's Myrtle Beach kind of goes up to North Carolina. So yeah, I'll be there this week. Be fun, be for a little bit. So yeah, I just need to talk to you with a little bit. Oh yeah, the Minecraft series will be coming back soon. So because I took my break off, because I'm on it so much. I took my break off. It should be back soon as I get on. If I bullet, because he's the main man. So yeah. Hey, no. What? No. Fine. Oh my gosh. Mean cat. So hopefully it dries up before the race. So if you haven't seen it, go check it out once again. So, she's been drilling on me. No, don't drill. No, disgusting. No, I hate you drilling. Get away from me. Yeah. Ha! Take the pollen. Ha! That doesn't stop you, does it? It doesn't stop you. Oh gosh, okay. Look into my eyes. Looking into my eyes. Look into my eyes. Looking into my eyes. Look into my eyes. Yeah. Ha! Funny. No, the bush got destroyed. No! Oh no! What do you want? What do you want? Our son's there, so I'm probably going back inside. I got some. Oh, goody. Oh! Ooh! Can't get me now. Here's our shit now. Oh my God, Mr. Tracy. It's a cat. Get it. Ow. I hit it. Oh. He's like, oh. Oh my gosh, he's right on my tail. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Well, I'm gonna stop there. That's been long enough, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And peace out. Also, yeah, sorry for no intro. Like, I don't. Not really. Stabbed me in the back. I don't really do intros. The only thing I will be doing is, hey guys, 7 here, aka Sam here. It's my intro, so there you go, guys. I grabbed on just tail. Oh no, I can't move. Down it. Can't touch this. I'm gonna go back inside. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. And also, lambs are people too. Bye.